Hi friends, it's Gena Mayo from I Choose Joy here, and today we are going to look at this special planner from Cultivate What Matters. They do have a podcast and a YouTube channel. So let us open up the box here and see what is inside. All right, this is the 2023 Power Sheets Goal Planner. This beautiful blue color. So I'm going to show you inside so we can see everything about this beautiful planner. It does have these gold coils. It's about this thick, really sturdy cover. The inside has a pocket with some stickers and the 2023 year at a glance. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, so you can write your word of the year. Nice. Then we have explanation on how to use the planner. Brainstorming, breaking free from distractions, what holds you back, what fires you up, learning from the past, evaluate where you are now in all of these areas, cultivating your mindset, and your big vision for the year, again in different areas of your life. Making decisions, simplification, rough draft. All right, now it says you're going to pace yourself for success, dividing the year up into 4 seasons and what goals you will do for each season. The goal action sheets give you a chance to write down different things, what you'll do, and then to evaluate how you did. So there's a bunch of those goal action sheets for all your different goals. And then we move into the yearly goals page and a way to customize it. Some to-dos for January, because now we are in the January. So each of these next sections will be for each month. You've got all of these different months, different pages in there for the different months. So let me skip ahead to December. And I'll just show you December. So here's December 2023. This is the very first page of it. And you've got your calendar there, brainstorm for the month, action items, and your month in review. Then you've got at the very end your year in review pages, and that is the Power Planner, Goal Planner from Cultivate What Matters, right there. Check out my affiliate link in the description below.